A top story this hour is coming in from the state of Maharashtra. The counting of votes for the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, that is the BMC polls, have begun across 23 designated counting centres in Mumbai. The elections that were held along with 28 local bodies of Maharashtra on 15th of January. Now, the BJP party-led Mahayuti is locked in a key battle with United Thackeray cousins, Raj and Uddhav Thackeray, for control of the cash-rich BMC, which has an annual budget of more than 74,000 crores. The two factions of NCP, Congress, Samajwadi Party, among others, are also in the fray. In fact, according to the BMC, the counting process will be conducted in strict compliance with the guidelines of the Election Commission of India and the Model Code of Conduct, with elaborate arrangements in place to ensure security, traffic management, and maintenance of law and order. Exit polls have predicted a clean sweep for the BJP-Shiv Sena alliance and a defeat of Shiv Sena UBT MNS. According to My Access India exit polls, Shiv Sena alliance is poised to win 131 to 151 seats, while Shiv Sena UBT MNS NCP SP is expected to win somewhere between 58 to 68 seats. Also, according to Jubilant's Data Studio exit polls, the BJP Shiv Sena alliance is likely to win between 127 to 155 seats in Mumbai, while the Shiv Sena UBT MNS NCP SP alliance could win seats in the range of 44 to 64. The Congress-led alliance could win somewhere between 16 to 25 seats as per the exit polls. Notably, the BMC elections were marred by a significant controversy. It was marred by a significant controversy following allegations over the use of indelible ink to mark voters' fingers. The Thackeray cousins claimed the indelible ink used can be easily removed. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis responded to the allegation by attempting to wipe off his own ink mark. However, the State Election Commission has denied these claims, stating categorically that the ink is of good quality and hard to remove. And our principal correspondent, Disha Yadav, is joining us live on the broadcast. In fact, she's live from one of the counting centres. This one is in Mulund, Mumbai. Disha, good morning. The counting, beg your pardon, has just begun a short while ago. What is it that you're learning the latest from the ground, and any latest early trends that have started trickling in already?
Well, good morning to you and the citizens who are watching us on Beyond right now. Of course, it is a big day today as the counting for the BMC elections has started. Right now, we are at one of the counting centre in Mulund, which is in the eastern suburbs area. And as you can see, inside is the counting centre, a strong room that has been set up where the representatives of the ward here, they have started the counting process. Remember, it is going to be a phase-wise counting is what we understand. Unlike previous elections, the votes are not going to be counted simultaneously of all the wards, but only 2 wards per se at a time. So definitely the early trends and even the sort of which parties are really getting more and more likes, that is something which will take a bit of a delay compared to what we have seen in the previous elections because of this phase-wise counting. But yes, definitely the early trends, the early prediction and the exit polls, they do have suggested that the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance might have a clean victory here in the BMC election. Remember, 114 is the majority mark which is needed to form a government in the BMC, which the exit polls have predicted that BJP-led Mahayuti government would win that majority, winning like 120 to 150 seats. So that is perhaps the predictions, but of course the outcome final will be known by end of the day when the counting for all the wards will be completed.
Quick follow-up question. Important that you mentioned that the trends have, in fact, these exit polls have predicted a clean sweep for BJP-led alliance. But quickly, if you can run us through political reactions that have been coming in since morning.
Absolutely, every political party has its own reaction as far as the exit polls are concerned. The BJP-led Mahayuti Alliance political officials have definitely awarded the exit polls that have come in, and they have very confidently said that this is the party that is going to make a strong comeback, because remember, Mumbai has been controlled by Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena for the last 3 decades. So breaking that strong political stronghold is something which the BJP really did in their strong campaigning before the elections, is what the party officials have stated. On the other hand, if you talk about Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena, they have clearly said that these exit polls do not matter till the time the final outcome does not come. But they are very much confident that at the end of the day, they will be retaining and reclaiming the heritage that the Thackeray brothers had for Mumbai, and that outcome will be known by end of the day.
Disha, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you, and hopefully over the next few hours we will get a clear picture. Thank you for the moment.